Hello, Earthling! The jungle is a place where incredible animals and plants live high and low. Take pictures of the things that live in the jungles of Borneo. The Borneo rainforest has a lot of water and sunlight. Plants get energy from the sun to make food, and animals eat the plants, or they eat other animals to get their food. Find 3 animals who live in this rainforest. Press the spacebar on your keyboard to start exploring. Use your keyboard's arrows to move around. Press the spacebar to take a picture. More than 2! Atlas moth larvae eat lots of leaves, but as adults, they don't eat at all. Raja Brooks birdwing butterflies drink nectar from flowers. The Sunda clouded leopard is a big predator, hunting large and small mammals. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's your next mission. Plants can't move on their own. Many make seeds that can be carried by animals. This helps new plants grow in new places. Find 3 trees with special seeds. That's a double! Durian trees make large fruit. Animals eat them and can poop out the seeds far away. Strangler figs produce sweet fruit that animals eat and can poop out the seeds far away. Find 1 more. Nice photo! Rambutan trees have fruit with burrs on them. They get moved by sticking to animals' fur. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's your next mission. The rainforests of Borneo have very tall trees, very short plants, and many in between. Taller trees get more light because of their height. Find 3 plants that get different light. You got a bunch! Tall kapur trees grow close without blocking each other, so they can all get the light they need. 10-foot-tall fan palms are hurt by direct sunlight. Taller trees help block some sun. Pitcher plants grow on the forest floor. Tall trees block most of the direct sunlight. Dipterocarp trees can be up to 200 feet tall. Their leaves get lots of sunlight. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's a speed round. Find and photograph as many as you can before time runs out. Barking deer are small but have a very loud bark that they use to scare off predators. Find as many barking deer as you can. You have that already. You have that already. You have that already. Wow, you found a lot! Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's your next mission. Animals in the rainforest have adaptations that help them find food, water, and protection from predators. Find 3 animals with adaptations. Terrific photo! Sunbirds have long, skinny beaks to help them reach the nectar they drink. Find 2 more. Awesome photo! Pythons can stretch their jaws extra wide to swallow their prey whole. Find 1 more. Awesome! Flying frogs have extra skin between their toes to help them glide and escape predators. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's your next mission. Some animals are colored so that predators can't see them. This adaptation is called camouflage, and it helps them hide. Find 3 animals who are camouflaged. Good photo. Walking sticks look like twigs. That makes it hard for predators to find them. Find 2 more. You have that already. Find 2 more. You got that one. Find 3 animals who are camouflaged. Nice photo. Atlas moths hide by looking like another animal. Their wings look like snake heads. Find 1 more. You got that one. You ran out of photos. Press the spacebar to try again. Let's try that mission again. Some animals are colored so that predators can't see them. This adaptation is called camouflage, and it helps them hide. Find 3 animals who are camouflaged. You got 2! Walking sticks look like twigs. That makes it hard for predators to find them. The dark blotches on Sunda-clouded leopards help them hide in the speckled light. Find 1 more. You got that one. Find 1 more. Good photo. Atlas moths hide by looking like another animal. Their wings look like snake heads. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's your next mission. Plants don't move on their own. They need something to spread their pollen for new plants to grow. This may be done by water, wind, or animals. Find 3 animals that pollinate plants. Nice photo! Sunbirds drink nectar. They get pollen stuck to them and move it to other flowers. Find 2 more. Terrific photo! Carrion beetles go to plants like the corpse flower and take its pollen to other flowers. Find 1 more. Awesome photo! Corpse flowers' smell attract carrion flies who spread their pollen around the jungle. Great job! Here's your score. Press the spacebar to get your next mission. Here's a speed round. Find and photograph as many as you can before time runs out. Crested hawk eagles hunt many animals, even birds as large as itself. Find as many crested hawk eagles as you can. You got that one. Oops! Keep going. You have that already. You got that one. Pretty good. You found some. Press the spacebar to get your next mission.